Hello guys, kamusta kayo dyan? So today is Sunday here in Australia and we are going to visit the Opera House in Sydney. So we are here on the train and we're gonna stop at Circular Station. So Circular Station.
This train
Station
will stop at
station.
Victoria.
It takes almost an hour to travel there by train. See you guys. See you later at Sydney Opera House. This is so overlooking, guys. See? Isang lamig pa dito. Saan? Saan nakakyatan? Sige nga, Harbor Bridge. Aakyat daw kami doon, guys. Taas. May nag-aakyatan pala, oh. So aakyat kami na.
Trabahador pa.
Trabahador nga, I told you na workers. Oo, workers yan. Naka-uniform, di ba? Yun yan sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sige, dito lang tayo. May bus, oh. Tourist bus yan. Wala ngang internet. You must have your own data.
Baba tayo ron.
Ha?
Oo, doon muna kaya tayo. Pumunta tayo doon. Kaya nga, ay muna tayo yung biskuit. Gutom na ako eh.
Empty na nga ang stomach ko eh.
Ha?
Empty na. Tiyan ko. Sige. Sige. Yan, super old na dito guys. So tignan mo ito. Australia flag. So up high guys is the Harbor Bridge. Babasahin ako dito guys. Oh, on this side Lieutenant William Towers, artillery officer, erected breastwork in 1788, replaced by a stone battery in 1791 known as Towers Battery. The whole being remodeled and enlarged by Governor Denison in 1856. So it's 90 feet west of the tablet. The first observatory in Australia was erected under the direction of Lieutenant Dawes in 1788. So that's the history, guys. This is too old, and finally I can touch it. This is it. So yes, sobrang old na to, guys. Hindi ko akalain ako makapunta dito sa lugar ng Harbor in Sydney. So yun, guys, titignan nyo yun. Side canyon nila sa panahon ng digmaan Australia. Yan, kumakain yung kasamahan ko, kaya mag-snack na rin ako, guys, kasi magugutom na rin ako. See you later. Yan ang mga canyon, guys, noong unang panahon. Canyon pa rin to, no? Sightseeing lang. Sightseeing. Anong year may kira dito? Nung World War II yata, no? 17 kon pa to eh. Nakatayo to eh. Year 17. Hello guys, so andito kami ngayon sa train station ng Circular Quay dahil pupunta kami ngayon ng Opera House. So ito, makikita nyo guys, ang ganda dito.
Airport stations. First stop, St. James, then Museum.
So magwi-way out pa kami ngayon.
Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport.
So yan si Mara po, samahan ko sa bahay.
Canada, East Hills.
Excited siya magpunta dito. First time niyang nakasakay ng train.
Then Macarthur.
At first time din namin nagpunta dito. Yan ang malaking barko.
For your safety, please remain.
So let's go na, Mark. Mag-way out tayo para makababa tayo. Magkuhan ba tayo eh. I-ready mo yung kuhan. Pa tayo. Way out.
Mami, dito tayo sa tayo.
Ha?
Dito tayo sa
Oo, balik tayo dito. Magtatapa tayo para makalabas. Saan to? Ayun. Yan pala ang way out. So guys, yan, nagbabaan ang mga tao. So bababa na rin kami. Pwede pala dun, pero dito na tayo. Mas mabilis ang escalator. Hello, yes. Babaan time. So guys, if you are just new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments for more videos. Travel namin dito sa Australia. Ngayon, magtatap kami para kami ay makakalabas na. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng lalabas kung hindi ka magtatap dito. Tap ka muna para ikay makakalabas na. Bakit yun? Nag-tap ka? Doon tayo. Oh, wow. Maglakad muna tayo doon. May wharf oh. Pasok kaya tayo mamaya sa wharf guys. Sorry.
Daming tao guys, so hindi nakakahiya lang.
Okay lang. Nagwa-vlog ka eh. Ano lang, ikuan mo lang yung ikaw makita. Parang ganito ba? Para safe. Walang problema. Kasi may makukuha, walang magre-reklamo. Yes guys. So, we're here. Yun, may wharf. Sasakay kaya kami ng wharf. Magkano kaya yung wharf pag sasakay tayo? Ito ang flag. Yeah.
Parang
So maraming tao dito guys kasi nga ito ang pinaka-center ng Sydney at ito talaga ang pinaka-lakbayan ng Sydney. So andito magkita-kita lahat ng mga tourists from different countries. So yun. Yun, papunta kami dun sa Juan Harbor Bridge.
kami sa Harbor Bridge.
Actually guys, dumadaan lang kami dito kapag sumasakay kami ng bus, I mean train, galing sa school. Pero hindi kami nag-drop, ngayon pa lang talaga. Akyat tayo dun. To the river. So yun, picture mark. Yan ang kung siguro nung museum ba to? Yan.
Ganda guys, oh.
Yeah. Pa-picture ako sa'yo dito, Mark. Yan, yun ang Opera House. Tingnan niyo ang Opera House, guys. Nasabi. Ayun, maglibot kami dyan mamaya. Picture tayo dito. Siya kahit ano, daytime dito, hindi siya masyadong mainit. Okay lang. Temperature parang sa Pinas lang. Museum nga to, Marco. Museum of Contemporary Art. Wow, finally, I'm here. Nabasa ko lang to sa internet. Sige, i-post ko muna ang video ko. Yes guys, parang naiinitan ako guys, kaya ginagamit ko na ang hood ko.
Hindi sa gitna. Punta ako sa kabila.
Saan ka? Doon?
Hindi sa gitna niya, no? Dito ka, dyan ka lang.
Magpapapictures. Kunin ko lahat. Diyan ka lang. Steady.
Walang pakaya naman mga tao dito.
Wala. Kanya-kanya lang.
Basta happy.
Paano kaya papasok dito? Ito lang, Museum of Contemporary Arts of Australia. Here guys, andito ako ngayon sa Museum of Contemporary Art here in Australia. Yes.
Wi-Fi for you. No
I-
Wi-Fi. You get
Sorry?
Wi-Fi? You get
Wi-Fi?
You getting it?
I don't try actually. I don't know if there's. Try.
Maybe inside a bit.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe you can get in there.
Init, sakit sa mata. Sasalamin ako.
Pasok tayo doon muna. Pwede o walang kuan. Pasok lang. So, papasok kami ngayon guys sa Contemporary Art Museum here in Israel. So, okay tayo. Ano bang makikita natin dun? Exhibition and collection tours. Oh, may labasan pala doon. Ayun no, parang may kainan doon. Yeah. Artwork spotlight tours. Free ang tour 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. weekdays. Pag weekends 11 a.m. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Ano nakikita natin dito? Come on. Hi. Sorry. It's
I'm just
okay?
letting you know what you can touch.
Ah, okay.
So you can touch the large rocks
Mm-hmm.
in the space if you like, as well as the black beaches. But just be really careful not to touch the quartz
Oh, sure.
at all. But you can the big rocks.
Okay.
if you like.
Can we take also a video or picture?
Yes, just no flash.
Okay. Thank you.
And your backpack. If you want to keep it with you, you have to hold it onto the front of the pole.
Are you going to leave it there? Is that okay? Ano sabi niya? Okay lang? Okay lang? Oh. Okay. What do you call this rock? So ito guys, makikita niyo ito. This is a kind of rock. I don't know kung anong klase ng rock ito. By metamorphic, igneous, sedimentary. Yun ang kakaibang rock na ito guys. Super cool. Isang rock na. So ito ang first na nilapasok dito sa museum. I'll try also to teach this. Oh, kakaiba talaga. Oh, buga siya guys. Okay, may number siya. Malaking bato. Maybe nakuha ito during Stone Age. Nice. What is this for?
This moves at times.
Ah,
It moves at its own time, and sometimes it moves all the time. Sometimes it moves once a day. Sometimes I haven't seen it move today.
really?
That's far. So it just does its own thing.
But actually, when I went from there, going here, I saw it moves. Ah. Oh guys, kakaiba to guys. Nagmumove pala ang mga batong ito. Gumagalaw pala siya. Nakita ko kanina nung pumasok ako dito guys. It moves. Nice. So, this one. Gumagalaw pala ito guys. What do you call this rock?
I don't know.
You don't have any.
I don't know either.
Maybe it's metamorphic rock.
If you want more information, if you scan the barcode
it's just there,
on the wall,
okay.
the barcode, then it talks to you more about the artwork.
Okay,
But
I'll
it's
try.
all of built environment. So there's Istanbul, and the Sydney side is from Port Botany. So they're all industrial, big loud noises.
Oh. So amazing. Saan ba si Mark? So dito pala. Where's the barcode guys?